How to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Cash App. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer Ethereum from Trust Wallet to Cash App. It's not a direct process, but it's doable with a crypto exchange like Binance. Let's get started. First, you can't send Ethereum straight from Trust Wallet to Cash App. You'll need to use Binance as a middle step. Now, open Binance and go to the Assets section at the bottom. Choose Ethereum, select the right network, and copy the deposit address. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Binance deposit address. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send, and confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes for the funds to show up in Binance. Once the Ethereum is in Binance, you need to convert it to USD. In Binance, tap the Binance icon at the top left, go to All Services, and select Convert. Choose Ethereum and swap it for USDT. Next, go to the Binance homepage and select P2P from the top. Tap Sell, then search for Cash App in the Payment Methods section. Pick a vendor with a good rate, enter your Cash App username, your cash tag, and email address, and double-check everything before confirming. The funds should hit your Cash App within 30 minutes. And that's it, you're done. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.